channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren and I upload videos 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Friday and Sunday. So today's video is my laundry routine. So if you want to see what kind of products that I use in my laundry, then please keep watching. Just before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that the brand in this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I'm not being paid to say any of this. This is all on my own back, and yeah, if you hear any noises in the background, then I do apologise for that as well. But like I said in the intro, that this is my laundry routine. So these are all the products that I have been loving recently and have been using in my laundry. So we can either call it laundry or washing or whatever you want to call it. It's totally up to you. I could be either calling it laundry or washing. It doesn't matter to me what way you call it. But I put all of my cleaning stuff all on my Instagram. So I will leave my Instagram handle down below for you guys, so you guys can check that out. But everything about the house, about cleaning, about my favourite products, what I've been using, is all on my Instagram handle. It's all on my Instagram, so go and check that out for more. It has all the house updates and everything else before I even video it, so you get kind of like a first sneak peek on my Instagram before it comes onto my YouTube. So I have seen on my Instagram that loads of people have been enjoying me putting cleaning products on my Instagram, so I thought, do you know what, I'm going to do a video and show you guys what kind of liquid and stuff I love to use in my washing or laundry, whatever way you want to call it, what products we've been loving recently. So again, this is not sponsored by any of the brands. We have just been loving this brand so much, and we are constantly going to stock up on this because we love it so much to death. And I'm about to show you the products, what I mean. So the first things first is, once we've put all the clothes in the washing machine like you're supposed to do, then these, sorry my voice is going, then these are the pods that we use. We used to have the Surf Tropical, I think it is. It's like in a pink, do apologise, my voice is going and I don't know why. But I think it's in like a pink packet, I'm not too sure. But when I bought this pack by mistake and I thought, oh my god, like, it's completely different. I don't know what the smell's like. I opened it and I thought, oh my god, it's incredible. So this is the Surf Coconut Bliss. I'll bring it closer for you guys that can't see. But we put one of these in our washing machine full of clothes. They are absolutely insane. If you guys love Surf the brand and you love anything to do with like tropical, like you're feeling you're on a holiday, or you love the smell of coconut, then these are the washing these are the washing capsules you will need in your washing. And I'm telling you, when your clothes come out of that washing machine, it smells unreal. It smells like you've just stepped off a plane and went straight on the beach. It is incredible, and I am literally gonna stay on this for the rest of my life and keep stocked up on this because it's absolutely amazing and I love the smell so much. So these are the 2-in-1 capsules, great cleaning and long lasting fragrance, Surf Coconut Bliss. I will get one out to show you guys of what they look like, but you probably can see on the packet anyway. But that is what they look like. They're half white and half like a orangey yellowy colour. Oh, and I'm telling you, the smell you can get off these is absolutely unreal. So if you've never even heard or never even tried the Coconut Bliss before, then I really do highly recommend it. That we have been using in our washing and have been loving as well. Again, it's the same brand. It's Surf Coconut Bliss again, but in the powder form. Now this is incredible. Again, they all smell like obviously coconuts, smell like you're on a holiday, but this is the powder form. we have the capsules, the powder and the liquid, which I'm about to show you the liquid after this. But this is the powder. You can get 45 washes in here. I have actually got a tub underneath my sink, in the little Narnia cupboard underneath my sink, filled with washing powder. So what I do is I fill that up and then use the powder from the tub, and then it will last so much more than 45 washes, trust me. But this is absolutely incredible. It says here at the back, I won't turn it too much because one, it's open, and two, I do not want powder all over the floor. It says coconut bliss. The fragrance contains sweet, warm notes of amber and musk of the ultimate beach fragrance, paradise at your fingertips. Now, if that does not make you want to buy this, then I don't know what does. It is absolutely incredible. I love it so much. Nathan loves the smell as well. And again, it makes our clothes smell like we've just stepped off the plane and went straight on the beach and put coconut after sun or lotion or whatever you put on yourself when you go on holiday, and it smells like you're on holiday. It's absolutely incredible and we love it so much. Match them, we have the Surf Coconut Bliss liquid form as well. So we have the complete set. You can't buy them all together as a set, you have to buy them separately. I actually got these from Amazon. I will leave the links in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can check them out as well for yourself, how incredible they are. I really wish that this was like smell-o-vision, because if I could let you guys smell this and then you can go and buy it yourself, it is that incredible. So again, this is the Surf Liquid Detergent Coconut Bliss. We have 2 bottles of this so far. I'm not going to drink it, don't worry. Also, the liquid kind of versions. If anyone has ever had the pina colada cocktail, then you're going to love this smell, because it smells the exactly same. And I'm being completely honest with you guys. This smells like the pina colada drink, and it's absolutely incredible. It's absolutely insane, and I love it so much. So this is also another favourite of ours that we have in our washing. We have the complete set, so we have the capsules in, the powder and the liquid all in our washing, and the clothes just come out absolutely incredible. They smell incredible as well. We do have Unstoppables, but unfortunately I did run out. But the only Unstoppables that I have is the Dreams one. They are absolutely insane. We've literally got to get some more. So I've got itchy eye. We've literally got to get some more because I've literally run out, because otherwise I would have showed you. But the Dreams Unstoppables are literally insane. We love having them in our washing as well. To go with them and the Coconut Bliss, it is amazing, absolutely incredible. 2 more products to show you guys that we use in our washing that we love as well. With the capsules and the powder and the liquid, I also put a capful of this. So this actually comes with its own lids. So I just fill this up, this middle part here, I just fill this up with this. So I normally get the Febreze one, but unfortunately I couldn't find it. So this is the original Ariel Gel Cold Wash with the Febreze as well. It's got that Febreze scent as well, and it smells insane, and I love it so much. I love the Febreze smell anyway. I spray it all over my surfaces, not surfaces, all over my sofa, all over my curtains, you know, all over my rug. It smells absolutely insane. That is why I love it when inside the cold gel as well. But this is just the original one, so I just fill the cap up and chuck that in the washing machine as well. So this is a brilliant thing as well. I also get most of my products and cleaning products and ideas and everything from Mrs. Hinch. I will leave her Instagram as well in the description box below for you guys as well, so you can go and check her out. She is absolutely incredible, and yeah, this is where I get all my tips and cleaning products from. Just one more thing to show you. I've just got to pick it up. But if you guys are trying to find a good product to keep your white clothes whiter and nice and clean, this. Now I'm telling them this actually does work. Some people say it don't, some people say it do, but my personal reasons, it does work, is incredible. We love it so much. This actually keeps all our whites whites. It does what it says. If we've just got like one white t-shirt and it's got some kind of stain on it, and I've got no other whites in there, I fill up the washing bowl full of boiling hot water. I put a couple of scoopfuls of this and then put the top inside and just leave it, and you can actually hear all the fuzzing and everything. It is absolutely incredible. And then once the water goes cold, I then shove it in the washing machine to have a good clean, and then I put all of my liquid and stuff inside the washing machine so it gives it a nice good clean. But this is absolutely incredible. We love using this on our whites. I use it all the damn time and it's absolutely incredible. We did have the Vanish colours as well, but we've run out of that as well. Kind of run out of quite a lot of things, but where you've got bills and everything else, like a great big house like this to pay for, Christmas is coming up and we're trying to get the living room done before Christmas. It's just hectic at the moment. So yeah, but this is the great product for getting whites to stay white, and we absolutely love it. So that is all the products that I use in my laundry. So I just wanted to show you guys of what we actually use, what our favourites are, so you guys can kind of get some ideas. I will leave all the Coconut Bliss in the description box below for you guys, so you can go and check them out yourself. I'm telling you, hand on heart, they are absolutely incredible. We love them so much, and we will be stocking up as well because they are just absolutely out of this world. Before I end this video, just a quick update for you guys. I can't remember what video it was when I told you about the living room, but the living room will not be done until November. So I think I told you guys by the end of October we'll be able to do the living room tour, but situations have now came up and we have now going to do the living room tour by November. Me and Nathan have kind of discussed this together, and Nathan is going to order the sofa on the 5th of November. Hopefully we can get it for next day delivery so it can arrive on the 6th. And then when it's obviously here and in place, I can put all the cushions on, the throws on, everything else that needs to be on the sofas on there, perfect and everything. And between now and obviously when the sofa arrives, I'm going to be getting the little accessories just to finish the living room off. So like candle holders, photo frames, extra throws, pillars, some like stands for like coffee tables and stuff, a lampshade, and some storage boxes as well. So I'm going to be buying all of them, and Nathan's going to be buying the sofa. And then hopefully on the 7th, which will be on the Sunday of November, I will film the living room tour, or the brand new living room tour, and then it will go up on the Wednesday. I can't remember what day it is, but it will go up on the Wednesday. So hopefully we can get the sofa on the 5th, get it delivered on the 6th. I will film everything on the 7th, edit it on the 7th so it can go up on the Wednesday. And then after that it will be the Christmas content. So November is going to be a bit hectic for us, but we will get there. But there will be a brand new living room tour coming up your way by the end of this year. Don't panic. I've had a couple of people saying, are you still doing the living room tour? The answer is yes. We just kind of had to move it into November, that's all. That is going to wrap up today's video. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you like this kind of content and you want kind of more, don't forget to subscribe as well. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you are notified every time I upload. Sorry about the way it is. I just thought I will quickly film this video for you guys because some people have been interested in my cleaning products and everything, so I thought I would show you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys stay safe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.